invite Brian to this one.
Thank you. I've been holding on to these things for about a week.
Congrats on the win. Woo! Woo!
Was this Ron didn't even see a win in the co-ed league this last season. Yes, the one game we won, y'all left early.
Oh, that's true. Dang it.
You know what? See a win in the co-ed?
Because we were there. We were, yes.
At soccer.
Yeah, red card.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it was all for nothing.
Yeah, he didn't stay for the whole game. Don't worry, guys, with me. He didn't stay for the whole game.
Both games I got
Yeah.
We didn't have a tie.
Okay, oh.
We took
Isn't that usually when you
No,
the
it
night
was.
you and James?
Yeah, the night we
No,
got
but it was.
Yeah. And they said if you don't play on
I'm like, Brian!
I was gonna say about the no call. Yeah, that dude ended up going to get like
It
red
was,
card.
it legit was like, it was bad. Like, Brian.
Right like mid-air.
I let it go. I went back to this. The fact that I didn't
Yeah.
get the top of the card. The one game
That
I
one,
took
yeah.
out Madison. Oh, I would just shoot the ball and you that's completely miss and just like you could hear it like kick
Yeah, he wrecked it.
so hard. And he called no nothing. And then that guy went to the red card. 2 seconds later, they're kicking somebody else out. I was like, oh, okay.
Nah.
There's absolutely zero possible way I could ever play soccer. The way this squad is right now, like
When we,
every
time like I kick the ball
job.
and take, I'm like, oh!
Or I was going to catch it. Like,
he did, no, he
I'm not
did.
good at shit.
That's what I play.
Yeah.
Good, honestly,
Hold on.
first game that
Oh, no,
Get this.
he was like
I was-
making sure nobody, like he was using that money for other purposes.
And anybody closer, take one of the gym. Oh, that's mine!
Oh, I guarantee you.
Well, so like that's my
Well, my daughter is up until today.
taking a shot.
We have rallies in the first game every game. And we have got to carry it
Shouldn't
out.
understand the rules.
Second game.
No, one
So
time.
like,
We started
they got a free kick because you go in the ball.
And we finally.
And hold on. And I told her
It wasn't
once the
super
ball
hot.
out, she said,
No,
they
it
told
took
me
longer for our bats to
I couldn't throw it.
That might be true.
I'm like, no, the other keeper was sitting there on the ball. I'm like,
Until they're like,
but like I'm sitting there like, she like held on the ball too long because like she didn't know what to do with it and stuff. And then like she finally like got rid of it and then freaking it. What the hell happened? He's like, she got.
you get like 5 seconds in it,
Yeah.
which is so fast.
Oh, it's very
Like,
cool. And then she's like going all the way to the line and reaching so high to get the ball. But Charlie, no!
Wait.
But her last game she played.
Played
Was it? I mean, she didn't play keeper because she didn't go to over playing keeper trying to teach her. I'm like, Riley,
Yeah.
no, stop them. This is for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's like, I'm inside the house, like, I'm like, boom! Especially like, exactly. You got to lay out. Most of the time, they're tripping in. And she's trying to get them to pick it up. And it's like getting through it.
So it's more one on one. He's trying to show her. Yeah, he makes it.
One hand behind, one hand on it. Just hip drop.
Say it louder. All right, I got it.
Is that the one that Tyler's? Did it bounce over? I saw it bounce.
Well, they're lucky in that field because I was already on third.
I was going to say, he was past second.
What do you think of that?
I hate that.
I didn't see it bounce over. That's why I was so confused. I was like,
She wants to play ball. I've had terrible luck.
put it back.
Yeah, he was
I
our
was like, she's
Whenever I got older and everyone was like, oh, I thought he caught it. I just thought he caught it. When I started walking out, they're like, no, you're on second. I was like, oh, that's better. I didn't know.
She's playing.
Hey, by the way, I love how they were able to pick someone out of the stands.
Lillian.
Oh, is that what it was? Oh, that hurt. Yeah, we'll take two.
They batted. Or they played the field with them.
Okay, I was going to say, because the game already starts. I didn't know.
Yeah, so basically, especially for the league,
Well, yeah, okay.
you know, like I brought Jerry a couple weeks ago, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But that's what I was laughing. I was like, we were talking about it up there. I was like, what's fun?
I thought he just showed up. You know,
I was expecting. I know the way it's in favor.
yeah, it was the way it racked up then.
Or no, one of them.
Have you ever played tennis?
Right up there.
Yes.
First baseline.
Really?
Chris pitched him inside.
Yeah.
Because the first pitch he pitched him.
What about Jim? Kelly's out.
I was like, that's the only one knows. You should have switched that. If you want, because he wanted to push out. He'd step back and he was going to step across.
Might translate, but
We've had people who play zeros for us.
here, I tell you what, back up about 5 feet.
I'll tell you, it's been a long time though.
Back up just about 5 feet. 5 feet.
I'll throw it to you like I threw it.
Here you go. Here you go.
That was a big nervous. So I looked across.
No. Ready? Nope, she's in.
I was trying to send.
She's ready for it.
Yeah, I can't remember who's on. Our other buddy now. Jason's up there. And they brought him back. They told him to come back. Oh, back, and I'm like, oh shit. I go, that's right.
Jason was still happy.
Oh, okay.
So I was like, no, you want to go swing or drop throw.
We're putting in miles.
I At that point, you got to cause a pickle.
Oh, yeah.
To get him to work.
Well,
If he's scoring before you get out, it's a risk. So you,
All he is.
I really struggle getting the ball.
That kills us. It kills everybody.
I'm probably for reading the ball in the infield.
Because the coach is pissed.
I'm not a, power hitter at all. I didn't have a lot.
Guys, I did try.
Until you tried. Oh, yeah, because I think quick. Oh, okay.
we can talk about
That's what it did.
Basically, what, here's the back of the box.
Try the back. I was playing I rarely get the ball out of you.
No good. No good.
Very, very rarely.
Lost last week by 17. Last week we lost by 2 years together. He's like, he goes, all of a sudden we win. I said, yeah, no, they won 3. Like I said,
when we played them, we had 3 drop balls.
yes, that's they had 6 wins.
Also, all 3 games that I
We have a blow up at
Meltdown.
Oh,
That's why our coach is called Meltdown.
I guess it's like,
That's what the guy said. He goes.
yes, sir. I know.
We
grew up here. I know, I can tell Ryan was watching because he was
And they were speaking whatever language speaking. And I couldn't understand. They were talking to each other. And I'm like, hey, they're scheming.
They were Chinese. Taking myself out.
Because I asked one of the guys, the same guy I was talking to.
I seen the 30 big stand out.
There was a ball hit. Like he hit a ball hit.
The
whole entire team is out.
I find it.
This is your sport.
We hit one to the left. And the guy was like, got under it, and Jerry looked over and goes, he did the trigger down. And I just fell off. The guy, that's it. That's good. That's good. Maybe that guy was just thinking of
So one of the responses was better for us to throw because he has so much and then all like it's hard to read because it's like going from the basket. I run a clean sheet second half.
That's how it fits the first game.
First half, third half, third. And that's why you like left out.
It's not under 10 more.
But that the guy there to probably do like 3 balls below the knee, they call it strike. Never took no away.
So he does the scoreboard, he does everything.
Except for he got an out.
Because he caught that in shortstop, is the only reason we went to that last at bat. If he would have missed that, we would have got on base, time would have ran out.
And it wasn't like
Yeah.
About the other 4 in our family, 6. This kid's talking about 1.
Count!
There's no one at first. I know what's coming for you. So then you're like, you're getting out of position. You're too anxious. You got to send information.
Where you live at?
I live in Murphy.
Oh, okay.
If I could go back.
Stay right there.
You know what shocked me? I live off
I grew up next summer.
One of my best friends.
It's like a firehouse. I live 20 miles from my Like, if you look across that like walkway, I'm one to the right. And I've remodeled. So every other year, so I'm also good. Right. Bring her with you. I got so I took the house. And I've been back in it for 5
Honestly, like my summer baseball, my separated. My parents forward. Traveling baseball. So the kids was a woman taking teaching.
Oh no, sorry. Yeah, I'm taking it. I do. Yeah.
You guys can suck it up from like both places. So I mean, I think
single story all of a sudden, they stand for the first night. I wake up, we wake up, she's like, take about 5 feet. So trying to get his ball on my foot.
that's how Francis too. Like I'm just like
Tight, like bus. Rose cotton that I bought 5 years ago, 6 years ago, right before we went to the divorce.
oh yeah.
But
So who knows?
Yes, the middle kids.
No, I have no idea.
Plus the height of the wall. Floods the whole master bedroom. Runs the carpet like they were like it's spread over 6 feet. And I said, so I'm going to, they just put carpet in today. This was 11 days, 9 days ago. And they did that, and so we had bought it brand new today. I just wanted to tell ladies. And they're going to put that in tomorrow. They're going to bring it because if it would have been there like brand new. So we called Nebraska first, like, hey, you got to hold on, you got to hold on. So, yeah. Busted a pipe.
You know, whatever.
I just went to pocket. I can't remember if I brought my phone with me until I was working for it. So.
Because I meant like, because like either all, it's not like all. He played
What's the one that's very tiny? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So that's where after we let it dry for 2 days. Well, the problem so, and I did all the walls. I patched the wall and shit all my so like this wall I built. It was never there. I'm sorry, that wall was there. I put the door in and this wall to the left was there. It's a master bedroom. So we're the master. The guest bathroom's on this side. So
Oh, I didn't.
that pipe's busted. They go hit it.
They're using
That's what the guy said.
Anytime they did that one, it's probably leaking small amount. But it was never, it was the first time. It wasn't full. It was there. We were all there. And they were all brushing their teeth, washing their hands, and well, see, it leaks all the way down.
Tell me that.
So I painted that 2 days prior to the color. Again, that carpet was 5 years old. And had to redo all of it because of, which I knew the plumber. That's like, hey, dude. He's like, it's crazy. He's like, all right.
90s baby right there. You know?
He's like, turn
Yeah.
off the house. I find this at
You know, so and it was, and we had
and so right to be at the big meeting.
Oh yeah, like in there, yeah.
Hey, they get it. I can't.
but, and then of course that was in the newspaper.
I said, hey, I said, here you go. I'll send you a picture. And I sent him a picture. Everybody said, no, go take care of it. So my buddy is a plumber. He was finally able to get up after waiting until like 5:30. You know,
So our soccer
shit for him to cut into the wall, and he did the measurements and all that shit. And so we don't cover the pipe. The pipe busting only covers all of the flood. They cover the water down. They don't cover the pipe. So they're like, it's like, well, they're like, so if you get the carpet, you need to replace it because I accidentally. And don't get me wrong, like this could have been doing it for 2 years, right? They just never used that one. So in the little time I might have used it, I wouldn't have ever felt it. Yeah. So
like he would run down
I used my deductible like $10. Like, you know what I mean? Like it wouldn't have been a big difference. And they're like, you can't get, yeah, you're the way that you handle it. So they came in and said, we have to sit down. Sit down, they'll test the water. Like, the guy comes through, he goes, I was poking that Friday where he goes, one day Amazon Prime was making fans like if they're gonna do like waxing a floor or drying out. I got these some bitches blowing on there and I got them
it was through Amazon Prime Time, so I got them like half the price. I got two of them for like $70 instead of the $200 it was supposed to be. And he goes,
Right.
thanks. He goes, you literally covered everything except for the carpet. He goes, and this carpet was like $2,000. No, and what's bad? It never did anything to the bathroom. The way it came down, it came straight up. But seriously, he kept testing it in that bathroom. So the bathroom like this, the jacket didn't get
But I'm here for you.
It came straight down and was coming out that carpet.
I got you.
Which is,
But don't pass back.
Go kick, you got it.
which is that right there. So right there where the two dogs are right there, where that's where it came out. It never went into the bathroom. So it didn't run the jacket, vanity, or anything. Yeah, right in front of it. Yeah.
I don't
His name was
Because it was so soaked, like it wouldn't do anything. So I ripped it all out.
Why?
And I threw it out in the yard. And they go, so
One of my
all
best
this
friends
like,
growing up playing baseball.
like is it would have done that? Yeah, it could have been like a $5,000 thing. It was $2,500.
These
But
parents.
I found people who did carpet. So basically, this whole thing's cost me $1,000. Yeah, it cost me a case of beer, and I threw the guy. So I actually, so I'll tell you $1,200 because I threw the guy $200. He's like, no. I was like, so a 24 pack of Miller, $200, and then for a new carpet that they just put in today, $850, $850 for, and they leveled the floor to how I wanted it to. All new staples all around, or the those little staple pads, and then they put top of the line padding and everything. It cost me $850. So I came out. So literally, I came out. If you look at that, $200. Let's just say. It cost
Most of the time.
First base is not even
Way
one.
out the back.
I already had the paint, and what's so funny is I had
As soon as I watched it, I was like,
already. So I sheetrocked it. I did it all today. I just did it all myself today. Before yesterday, he came and
As long as the other team didn't know.
yeah, exactly.
Moving on.
Yeah, like if that's the only thing that was good.
That's all that matters.
How to get it all.
So,
Yeah.
luxury.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, we got lucky. So I couldn't file a claim. My claim was
Hey, by the way,
and like I said, 11 and I can't charge basically for the $1 or the meter. So realistically, it cost me $850. Is all I could claim on it. It was like, if I have someone else to shoot my, I was like, for a house small, they're like $350 a month. So what I paid with the, I was like, no point. No point. I said, I'll just patch it myself and save my own $350. Go from there. Yeah, that was the only thing.
He's such a good goal.
On the market. Yeah, that was what I had. They didn't list the right way. He goes, see, you can match all these. It was built in 84.
Yeah, so
Never stepped foundation. They were like, like the siding outside.
phenomenal because he's aggressive.
We were here about 10 minutes. As soon as we leave,
Don't try to get more.
now I've been not 10 minutes into the I got it. Maybe it's because running on me.
Yeah. And we did walls and sections, reading everything. But yeah.
He hasn't been home for almost 3 weeks. So he's like, I don't want to go to bed.
Oh, I'm so.
Caleb said it. I'm still on the other side of the world. I'm here.
I'm ready. I'm ready to be home.
Because she was born in
I'm ready to be home.
She was right almost at 1 year.
Yes, yes. My kids went to, my daughter went to that.
What's the Peanut Academy?
You should go
That's Caden.
That's why you think I got 3 that he's second base. Yeah, she doesn't drink. She's drinking it's the strongest drink yesterday. And if it's like just y'all or something like the same time.
Oh my goodness. Oh, well, actually, when I shut up, I was like, oh.
She's already attended. She was birthday, we're gonna next week. We're surprising on Saturday. His birthday's February 9th.
Can I have one?
I gotta save him for whoever's left. Who's left? 2, 3?
I don't know.
So we get up there. He's working. Not that new. 11. Sorry, they just raised because of taxes, and it actually went to 22.
I think is what it is.
Yeah. So
Can I get a new ball?
Why?
Oh, you played Sunday morning?
I mean, I haven't given it.
How far? They don't say they all live in It's Friday night.
You were going when they were
We can go out. We can go out to the
They usually don't sit here.
The kids are always here too. It's
All right.
like we never
I'll see y'all next
the
Thursday.
last minute. Yeah, we have the most kids here.
Did you come as a sister? She went to me.
Alright, let's see how that goes. So we get there. Oh, we won. We had a chance. Kids blew it. Kids blew it. The game that get there. You got that was the game that we had baseball for Thursday. We pull in.
So, not.
They kept coming around the fifth. Right. They're trying to be bad boys. And they kept around. You stand right at the island, you go backwards, and it hits the Don't overthrow!
Hunched over.
That was the boy. That was...
But if Brian's scheduled to practice 10 a.m. in the morning, I'm out there with the glove in one hand and the weight coffee cup in the other hand.
Is it coffee though?
Yeah.
Coach? Sir?
You're welcome to the win, by the way.
We allowed you to be here for this one.
I mean, not the first, but you're here for the
That's
second.
so nice of you. You know what? Thank you. I'm blessed. I mean, I feel blessed that I got to show up and be a part of it.
We took a vote. We allowed it.
Bye, guys.
Tayo.
I got it!
Where do we play at tomorrow,
He
Brian?
doesn't know. Don't ask him.
I know, the co-captain should know.
Yeah, you would say. That's why I said she was. Yeah, see tomorrow. I said, do you know where?
Not my phone. Hold on.
I don't even know where my phone's at. Oh. I'm like, I don't see my yellow phone.
Memphis have it.
Yeah, but he handed it back to me
It's at MoneyGram.
earlier. Where is it at?
MoneyGram.
Oh, that's right.
So,
It's MoneyGram.
Thanks, Coach Hampton.
There's no field number on.
He might have not updated it yet. I gotta look. I do remember seeing that. I'm like, dang it, 9 o'clock, MoneyGram, that
We
experience.
just played 9 o'clock. Tuesday.
Yeah.
Well, and Tuesday again, we play again at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
I will get.
Oh, I didn't see
We'll be at the.
I didn't see the time.
Well, don't not miss it because he won't be there when I'll be there. Don't not miss it.
Don't miss it.
He's going out with it. Bye guys. See y'all Sunday.
Guys, see you Sunday.
Bye. Bye, Lucas.
He's gonna go out with his
No big deal.
men's team.
Well, Cole had a home run.
It's our preseason. Usually we'll have things on Tuesday night. It's the only night I don't do things.
Yeah.
And then,
All right, I'll see y'all later.
Bye guys. Did you write it in your
Half the team is like,
yeah, but the first week took the bag.
You really just feel like
Well, I watched
whether y'all was doing it or not.
we won here.
It was, he literally.
Yeah, so still scary, but so
your boss brought tonight now. His wife left and
so when they walk us back there,
I want to say we're scared.
I knew he was in that room.
We're there talking. Oh, no. My head over. She came back and said, oh, it's my boss.
Another room.
Yeah. Bye.
Not even a hallway. It's
Bye,
just like
Felicia.
yeah.
And then she said, she's like, oh, it's my boss. Okay. I don't know.
So they moved us in this room. Well, I'll tell you that. He came in, told us, and he said they were going to get it. I said, we sat there for a while. Nobody really got to see it. We're kind of like Bunt because he was a tall Oh, welcome back.
Two more.
I remember, I did my Achilles. So I'm standing on my foot. And I had the pull ring. I had the big house.
Right, for 2 days or a day and a half. I know, that's what he told me.
So like people make jokes of like, yeah, it's not fair. My surrounding if the market is better. I feel like in Texas, I'm like, all I need to do is make sure I realize I'm 17 years ago. Hey, that was a good life. I live 25 minutes away. I've never seen my family at the time saw each other every single day before my dad died. Like, I'm missing out on all the other life.
There was not because I was in the middle of doing that.
So yeah.
And I was being paid 2 bags in front of the first row. Between the outfield, I'm going 2 bags in front of the first row.
In April last year, I had my like I knew you were in that space like this. Boy! I haven't played in a last thing I picked it up, like Madison always put it next to the puts it next to the toilet. Pick it up. Let's go pick it up. To like use it.
Yeah.
Sit there on my hand and shatter it.
Cool. Way up.
Depending on how you make it. I got to a point where it's like.
But they were playing as deep. They were more of a riser.
This is the first time that Kelly's been she's supposed to get back at 9. It's like
What's it like?
so they're like
It's expected, right? Like,
keep this for a certain amount of time. Troy Christie gets up. Actually, they're old enough. Everything's off.
I would have these about
After weekend.
Yeah.
And I was at
I'm just supposed to be off. So
yeah. So what is the right way to do it?
yeah. If I do it, I stay disciplined. If I get to it's been a journey.
Terrible.
What's the thing? It's like
The second day was a little bit
vacations are great because it's just you can really travel and yell at your kids and follow the game.
100%. We caught the car though.
It's one of those things. It's just like
3 days.
it's been. I mean, and my kids.
Hey, he's faster than me.
Bass is like, oh, we gotta get rid of those pants. As soon as we can replace them.
Right. Yeah.
Until then,
these are staying.
we're getting the belt, putting a couple extra notches on, and we're gonna tuck those pants all the way and just hope that nobody looks small.
Right.
You know.
And who cares if they do?
Exactly. Right. You got a big fold in there.
I'm married. Get out of
Semantics.
here.
Why are you looking my ass?
Did you drink all that? No. Oh, I'm like, there's no way you drank
there's no
all
Fireball
I
sauce
just.
left.
Oh man.
She's like, if I gotta be awake, I'm
So.
Don't waste it on
Car
that.
Dave.
Okay.
It's fine, the time.
I know, but
It
I
can be
also work
Arlen in
on.
August or OU holiday weekend in September.
Okay, so you said that says Brian.
September football season.
Okay. I think you could probably just. I mean, I don't know what it looks like.
You start finding non-OU if it's on your
Scales.
If it's a home game?
Yeah.
No, I'll be in Norman.
Oh, come on.
Hey,
All right, and the away game?
if it's away games, yeah. If it's away games, it's a different story. I'll be around. Classic baseball tournament.
Whose stuff is this?
It's fine. Why did you
Oh, I'm like, what are you doing?
I parked over here.
Oh, I